Hello, and thank you again for taking the initial steps to learn more about research. My name is Dr. Titania Harris, and I am the CEO and founder of PECRO Research. This lecture is about why research matters. We're going to be talking about how research supports better medication, therapies, and medical equipment for all citizens. To hit that title, we're going to highlight the following points. What is research? Who is a minority participant? Why minority inclusion is significant? How PECRO is working to support diversity, and how you can help. Let's start with what is research? So, research is defined as a systemic investigation that includes research development, testing, and evaluation designed to develop or contribute to generalizable knowledge. Clinical trials are defined as a research study in which one or more human subjects are assigned to one or more interventions that evaluate the effects of interventions on health-related biomedical and behavioral outcomes. Basically, clinical trials and research is how we verify safe dosage and the efficacy of medications, therapies, and medical equipment. Who is a minority participant? Minority participants are African American, Blacks, Hispanics, Asians, Native Americans, Pacific Islanders, and veteran groups are also considered to be minority groups. Why minority inclusion is significant? Let's find out. So, all of the medication in America has been researched to make sure that it treats a specific disease. Now, this research is significant because through the test, it determines if the medication therapies work the way that it should. The issue is that minority groups are less likely to participate in research. For example, African American males have a higher rate of heart disease, yet they are less likely to participate in the research of the medications and therapies to treat heart disease. Another example is the Hispanic Latino community. They have a higher rate of diabetes, yet the medications and medical devices used to treat this disease are not designed for them. Another example would be the Asian community. They have a higher rate of kidney disease, yet the medications and medical devices that are used to treat this disease are not designed for them. And the list goes on and on and on. There are many illnesses that vastly affect minority groups, yet minorities are less likely to participate in research. Research matters because when the medication is tested by another group of people, then the results of the test are proven for that group of people and not for all citizens. To provide the necessary data for determining efficacy and safety dosage, clinical trials must prioritize the inclusion of the patient population that mirrors the demographic affected by that disease. We have to participate in research or we will continue to take medication that is not designed for us. Now I want to tell you about how PECRO research is supporting diversity. Due to COVID, minorities are seeking an interest in research because they're concerned about ways to support their health and the health of their family and friends. Now, they're a little unlikely to participate in research without adequate education from a trusted source. Pharmaceutical companies are comprehending the need for diversity in research, and as such, they are promoting more diversity within research. Yet many of these agencies have been proven to be untrustworthy to many minority groups. PECRO Research is that trusted source. We offer virtual education that solves the low minority research participation rate, overall research participation rate, and research diversity. All of the education offered on our website is free, and we are hopeful that this information will support you in making decisions to participate in research. which leads to what can you do to help? As I stated, when more minorities participate in research, it can change the way that medications are designed, which can support better medical care and less medical expenses. Congratulations! You started the process to help diversity in research when you finished the Why Research Matters, which informed you on why there's a lack of minority research participation and why participating in research is important. Now, I would like you to go to Research 101, which will inform you on the research regulations and policies so you can make informed decisions about participating in research. Before you review research regulations in the research participation course, I would like you to test your knowledge. Now, although the testing is not mandatory, it will help you in understanding and making informed decisions about research and your participation. If you have any questions, send us an email to inform@pecroresearch.com, or you can send us a letter. Thank you for listening to the Why Research Matters lecture. I hope you have a better understanding as to why research is significant. Thanks for watching.